Did you know that your night routine can significantly impact your overall well-being and quality of sleep? Ready to discover a life-changing routine that will help you relax and recharge? Let's get started. Introduction. In today's video, we're diving into a night routine that can truly transform your evenings. Establishing a calming and effective routine before bed can improve your sleep, reduce stress, and set you up for a productive day. Let's explore some essential tips to create a night routine that helps you unwind and recharge. Main content. Tip 1. Establish a consistent bedtime first. Establish a consistent bedtime. This is key because going to bed at the same time every night helps regulate your sleep-wake cycle and improve the quality of your sleep. Tip 2. Create a relaxing pre-sleep ritual next. Create a relaxing pre-sleep ritual. Engaging in calming activities like reading a book, taking a warm bath, or practicing gentle stretches can help signal to your body that it's time to wind down. Tip 3. Limit screen time before bed. The third tip is to limit screen time before bed. Many people underestimate how blue light from screens can interfere with melatonin production and disrupt your sleep cycle. Try to avoid screens at least an hour before bedtime. Tip 4. Practice mindfulness or meditation. Another great tip is to practice mindfulness or meditation. Spending a few minutes focusing on your breathing or reflecting on your day can help reduce stress and prepare your mind for restful sleep. Tip 5. Prepare your sleep environment. Finally, prepare your sleep environment. Ensure your bedroom is cool, dark, and quiet, and invest in a comfortable mattress and pillows to create an optimal sleeping environment. Call to action. Upgrade your home workouts with my top gear picks. Check the description for links to the best height workout mat, home workout guide, gym equipment, push-up gear, and body fat measurement device. Click now and transform your fitness routine. Conclusion. To recap, these 5 tips: establishing a consistent bedtime, creating a relaxing pre-sleep ritual, limiting screen time, practicing mindfulness, and preparing your sleep environment are powerful steps toward a more restful and rejuvenating night's sleep. Start incorporating these habits into your routine and see how they can enhance your overall well-being. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share with others who might benefit from a better night's rest.